Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Mr. 50s Man, and I want to talk to you today about something incredibly important: turning 50 and embracing the next chapter of your life with vigor and vitality. This isn't just another birthday, it's a milestone that deserves a proactive approach to your health. I'm here to share with you a comprehensive guide. Think of it as your personal roadmap to navigating your health after 50. We're going to explore simple yet powerful steps you can take to ensure your golden years are truly golden. It's about making smart choices now that will pay dividends for decades to come. As we get older, our bodies naturally go through changes. You might notice you don't have the same energy as you did in your 20s, or that recovery takes a little bit longer. This is completely normal, but it's also a signal. It's your body telling you that it's time to adjust your lifestyle to support its evolving needs. Making conscious changes isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. It's about taking control of your health journey so you can continue to do all the things you love, whether that's traveling, playing with your grandkids, or pursuing a new passion. The choices we make today directly shape the quality of our tomorrow. In this video, we will break down the 7 essential pillars of health for anyone over 50. From crucial medical checkups and the right kind of exercise to what you should be putting on your plate and how to manage stress, we'll cover it all. My goal is to equip you with the knowledge and the confidence to make informed decisions for your well-being. Think of me as your health partner on this journey. So grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's dive into how you can make your 50s, 60s, and beyond your healthiest, most vibrant years yet. Let's get started. The first, and arguably most critical step in owning your health after 50, is committing to regular health screenings. I cannot stress this enough. Think of your body like a high-performance car. You wouldn't drive it for 50,000 miles without a tune-up, would you? These checkups are your body's essential service. They are our best tool for early detection. Screenings for high blood pressure or hypertension are vital because it's often called the silent killer for a reason. It has no symptoms. Similarly, checking your cholesterol levels helps us understand your risk for heart disease and stroke, the leading health threats as we age. It's about being proactive, not reactive. Regular screenings for specific cancers like colon, prostate for men, and breast for women become non-negotiable in this decade. These tests can find diseases at their earliest, most treatable stages, dramatically improving outcomes. The same goes for diabetes. A simple blood sugar test can identify prediabetes, giving you a crucial window to make lifestyle changes and prevent the disease from fully developing. Don't view these appointments as a chore or something to fear. See them as an act of self-love and a powerful investment in your future. Schedule those appointments, talk openly with your doctor, and stay on top of your numbers. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health. Now let's talk about movement. Staying physically active is the closest thing we have to a fountain of youth. As we cross the 50-year mark, we naturally start to lose muscle mass and bone density, a condition known as sarcopenia and osteoporosis, respectively. The antidote? Regular, consistent exercise. I'm not saying you need to start training for a marathon tomorrow. It's about finding activities you genuinely enjoy and incorporating them into your daily routine. Gentle, low-impact exercises like walking are fantastic. A brisk 30-minute walk each day can work wonders for your cardiovascular health, improve your mood, and help manage your weight. It's accessible, it's free, and it's incredibly effective. Swimming is another phenomenal choice. It's a full-body workout that's incredibly easy on your joints, making it perfect for anyone with arthritis or other joint pain. It builds endurance, muscle strength, and cardiovascular fitness. And let's not forget practices like yoga or Tai Chi. These disciplines are incredible for improving balance, flexibility, and core strength, which is essential for preventing falls, a major health risk for older adults. The key is consistency. Find what you love, whether it's dancing, gardening, or cycling, and make it a non-negotiable part of your life. Your body will thank you for it every single day. What you put on your plate is a cornerstone of your health, especially after 50. Your metabolism may be slowing down and your body's nutritional needs are changing. It's time to focus on fueling your body with the right stuff. Think of your plate as a canvas and paint it with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Aim for a variety of colors: deep greens from spinach, bright reds from tomatoes and bell peppers, and rich purples from berries and eggplant. Each color provides unique health benefits. Equally important is lean protein. Protein is essential for maintaining that precious muscle mass we just talked about. Good sources include chicken breast, fish like salmon, which is also rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, beans, lentils, and tofu. And don't fear carbohydrates, just choose the right kind. Swap out white bread and sugary cereals for whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice. These provide sustained energy and are high in fiber, which is crucial for digestive health and keeping you feeling full. At the same time, it's critical to reduce your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These items contribute to inflammation, weight gain, and a host of chronic diseases. We live in a culture that often glorifies being busy and skimping on sleep. But I'm here to tell you that's honestly one of the worst things you can do for your health, especially as you get older. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a biological necessity. It's during these crucial hours that your body and brain really get down to essential maintenance. This is when your cells repair themselves, your brain flushes out toxins that can build up and, contribute to cognitive decline, and your hormones regulate. For adults over 50, the magic number is generally 7 to 8 hours of quality, uninterrupted sleep each night. Consistently falling short of this can weaken your immune system, impair your memory, and increase your risk for serious health problems. So how do you actually improve your sleep? It all starts with good sleep hygiene. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could be reading a book, taking a warm bath, or maybe listening to calming music. Make your bedroom a sanctuary for sleep. Keep it dark, quiet, and cool. One critical tip in our modern world is to avoid screens, like your phone, tablet, or television, for at least an hour before bed. The blue light they emit can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, which is the hormone that controls your sleep-wake cycle. And consistency is also key, so try to go to bed and wake up around the same time every day, even on weekends. Stress is, an unavoidable part of life, but chronic, unmanaged stress can be toxic to your body. When you're constantly stressed, your body is flooded with hormones like cortisol, which over time can lead to high blood pressure, a weakened immune system, anxiety, and even depression. As we navigate the changes that come with life after 50, whether it's career shifts, aging parents, or an empty nest, it's more important than ever to have effective tools to manage that stress. You need to find healthy outlets to release that tension before it builds up and takes a toll on your physical and mental well-being. The good news is that there are many simple and powerful techniques you can use. Meditation is one of the most effective. Just 10 to 15 minutes of quiet mindfulness each day can help lower your heart rate, reduce blood pressure, and bring a sense of calm. Deep breathing exercises are another fantastic tool you can use anywhere, anytime. Simply inhaling slowly through your nose, holding for a few seconds, and exhaling slowly through your mouth can instantly activate your body's relaxation response. Also, don't underestimate the power of hobbies. Engaging in something you love, whether it's gardening, painting, playing a musical instrument, or woodworking, is a wonderful way to de-stress and bring joy into your life. As a doctor, I can prescribe medicine, but one of the most powerful prescriptions for a long, happy life is connection. We are social creatures by nature, and maintaining strong social ties is absolutely vital for our mental and emotional health as we age. Loneliness and social isolation are significant health risks, linked to higher rates of depression, cognitive decline, and even mortality. Staying connected with friends, family, and your community provides a sense of belonging and purpose. It gives you a support system to lean on during tough times and people to celebrate with during the good times. These relationships are a buffer against the stresses of life. Make a conscious effort to nurture your relationships. Schedule regular phone calls or video chats with loved ones who live far away. Plan weekly coffee dates or walks with local friends. Consider joining a club or group that aligns with your interests. A book club, a hiking group, a choir, or a volunteer organization. Community involvement not only connects you with new people but also gives you a powerful sense of purpose, which is incredibly important for mental well-being, especially after retirement. Sharing experiences, laughter, and conversation is just as important for your health as diet and exercise, so reach out, connect, and build your social safety net. We've talked a lot about the positive things you should be adding to your life, but it's just as important to talk about the things you need to subtract. Eliminating harmful habits is a non-negotiable step toward a healthier future. If you are a smoker, There is no single better thing you can do for your health than to quit. Smoking is a leading cause of preventable death, drastically increasing your risk for cancer, heart disease, stroke, and lung disease. I know it's incredibly difficult, but it's never too late. Your body begins to heal the moment you stop. Please talk to your doctor about cessation programs and support systems available to you. Similarly, it's time to be mindful of your alcohol consumption. While some studies suggest a modest amount of red wine might have heart benefits, heavy drinking can have devastating effects on your liver, brain, and heart. It can also interfere with medications, disrupt sleep, and increase your risk of falls. The key is moderation, which generally means no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men. Beyond smoking and alcohol, this is also a time to avoid other risky behaviors. This means always wearing your seatbelt, being cautious to prevent falls at home, and protecting your skin from the sun. It's all about making smart, conscious choices to protect the one body you have. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the importance of your annual checkup to the profound impact of a good night's sleep. My hope is that you don't see this as an overwhelming list of rules, but as a powerful toolkit. This is your guide to not just adding years to your life, but adding life to your years. Turning 50 isn't an ending, it's a magnificent new beginning, an opportunity to recommit to yourself and your well-being. I want to encourage you with all my heart to start making these changes today. Don't wait for Monday, or the first of the month, or for a health scare to motivate you. Your healthier, happier life after 50 begins with the very next choice you make. Start small. Pick one thing from our list today. Maybe it's deciding to go for a 20-minute walk this afternoon, or adding a serving of vegetables to your dinner tonight, or calling a friend you haven't spoken to in a while. Every small step you take builds momentum and creates a ripple effect that will positively impact every aspect of your life. You have the power to create a future filled with energy, joy, and resilience. You deserve to feel your best, to have the strength to chase your dreams, and to enjoy every precious moment with the people you love. Before you begin making any significant changes to your diet, exercise routine, or lifestyle, it is absolutely essential that you have a conversation with your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider. They know your personal health history and can help you create a plan that is safe and effective for you. They are your most important partner on this health journey. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content to help you live your best life. Be well, and I'll see you in the next video.